Hi, are you ready for some gut microbiome trivia? Every question was covered within the gut biome series, so if you've been following along, you're probably going to do pretty great. There are 10 questions in total, and each question is designed to give you 5 seconds to think about the answer. You can also pause the video when you see the yellow bacteria move across the screen, and that'll add on as much time as you need to think a little more. Good luck, and let's get started. Question 1. What is meant by the term gut microbiome? If you said something about the bacteria living inside our intestines or how our gastrointestinal tract provide an environment for our microorganisms, you are spot on. Good job. Question number 2. What is the name of the complex bidirectional relationship between the gut and our central nervous system? Here's a picture for a hint. Did you happen to say the gut-brain axis? That's right. It is believed that this relationship is largely connected to our health and our disease states. Question number 3. The basic understanding of gut biome health is that a blank in the diversity of our gut bacterial population improves health, while a blank or alteration is associated with negative health effects. The basic understanding of gut biome health is that an increase in the diversity of our gut bacterial population improves health, while a reduction or alteration is associated with negative health effects. Question number 4. What factors influence gut biome health? And there's a few, so name as many as you can. Since there are a number of different factors that influence the gut biome health, you could have answered environment, including antibiotics and drugs, heavy metals, pesticides, artificial sweeteners, and smoking. You could have said age and mode of delivery at birth. You could have mentioned diet and exercise, sleep and stress. And you could also have mentioned genetics. Acute stress, or normal life stressors, is not known to impact the gut biome in a lasting negative way. But what kind of stress can disturb the biome's health? Persistent or ongoing life stressors are the kind of stress that can disturb the biome's health ultimately. Stressors like inadequate food access to various forms of abuse and maltreatment, these are the types of things that could be considered persistent life stressors. Okay, we're about halfway. How are you doing? Here's question 6. When it comes to gut biome health and genetics, is your health predetermined or otherwise locked in? Luckily, the answer is not exactly. Genetics definitely influence your gut biome, but they do not predetermine your health. Gut biome health can also be influenced by environment, diet, lifestyle, and age, as mentioned in the previous question. Okay, question 7. What is one way the gut biome impacts digestion? So there's a couple possible answers here. The gut informs the brain when we're full or still hungry. Bacteria break down carbs and make short-chain fatty acids, which stimulate hormones. And then my favorite, the gut biome breaks down food particles that are otherwise indigestible, giving us access to even more nutrients than before. Okay, question number 8. What is one way the gut biome influences our health? Okay, so there's a couple different answers again. You could have said something like bacteria break down substances called xenobiotics that are foreign and potentially harmful to the body. They make short-chain fatty acids that provide energy to cells in the large intestines. And then you could have said that they interact with immune cells. All of those are correct. Question number 9, we're almost finished. What is one way the gut biome influences our ability to think and feel? So a couple answers again. You could have said that bacteria regulate the nervous system functions. You could have made mention about bacteria making serotonin, which is related to how we learn and remember in our reward system. You could have mentioned how the biome is connected to both dopamine, how we feel pleasure, as well as noradrenaline, how we respond to our surroundings. Okay, last question. What is the best way to eat for gut biome health? Okay, so I hope you said variety, because variety is the easiest and absolute best way to increase bacterial population and diversity. And that means we have more bacteria and we have more different kinds of bacteria. Now, additionally, if you want to be a little more specific, you can add more fruits and veggies and whole grains, which thereby increases the amount of fiber and prebiotics that you're including in your diet. You can also add fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi and sauerkraut, apple cider vinegar, and other pickled foods. You can also incorporate more plant proteins versus animal proteins. And then you can also include some more polyunsaturated fatty acids with foods like salmon and avocado and eggs, flax and chia seeds, as well as dark chocolate. Okay, that's it. How did you do? If you want to learn more about the gut microbiome, you can check out the other videos in this series, and then don't forget to click on the link in the description for written posts all about the gut microbiome. Thanks so much for joining. Have a great day.